Hello friends, good afternoon. Welcome to the Postal Export Guru channel. In today's video, we will see how we can update the profile in new DNK portal. As you know, Department of Post has launched a new software for the self-service for the booking of all category of mails. So how to register on this portal, how to create user ID, I have already detailed in my earlier video. The link of that video is available in the description box. Dear friend, in this video we will see how we can update the profile. I request you to please subscribe this channel so that you can get the auto notification of the next video. So let's see the process of profile updation. For this purpose, we have to visit India Post website. The new website address is app.indiapost.gov.in. You have to scroll down and in the bottom you will see here self-service portal. Click this, click OK button. Now you will be at this place and here you have to enter the customer ID, that is user ID, and then password and then login. Here we will go in become a partner customer. On left side, become a partner customer. Register as a partner. We have to click DNK customer. Then on clicking DNK customer, we have to enter Aadhaar number. Then click here validate. Then PAN card. Click here validate. Then select exporter class. We can select here private or government. Normally we have to select private, and if we are the government entities, then only we have to select government. Then select exporter type. There are two types, merchant exporter and manufacturing exporter. If you are a manufacturer of the product which you are exporting, then select manufacturing exporter. But if you are purchasing some item from other firms, from other places, and then exporting, then select as a merchant exporter. Put here your authorized dealer code. Then duty drawback is not implemented for the DNK portal and it is under process, so you have to select no. Once it will be integrated with duty drawback, then click here yes and put the required field. Then GSTN type, GSTN state, first you mention in which state you have got your GSTIN, from which state your GSTIN is issued. Then you have to put GSTIN number, then select GSTN type. So if you are you want to export under LUT, or if you want to take input tax credit, then normally you have to choose GSN, that is normal taxpayer or a regular taxpayer registered under GSTIN Act. GSG you can choose if it is you are working from the special economic zone or developer registered entities located in special economic zones. Then GSD means deemed exporter entities registered for the purpose of deemed export under GST. Then manufacturer, trader, service exporters all should select this GSN only. Then here we have to mention our company name. Here we have to upload the GSTIN document. Then here IEC code we have to mention, and GSTN and your IEC both are validated through OTP, which is linked with your IEC or GSTIN. Dear friends, here put your company name, then enter your address. Generally this address is fetched by the system from your IEC profile. So once your IEC is validated, all these fields will be automatically filled. Then here you have to enter the bank name, then account number, IFC code, then you have to upload your IEC document, then authorized dealer code document, then letter of undertaking, and then any other document you want to upload. Means if you are doing the food business, suppose you are doing a food business, then for whatever the product you are exporting, you have to upload the FSSI certificate. So this license you can upload one time here, and that will be linked with each and every booked item. So whatever be the document which is a mandatory document for your all type of exported good, you should upload it here only. Okay, and if there is item specific document, then it should not be required to upload here. After uploading all the documents, after entering all the data field, there here will be the register button is highlighted. You click this registered button, and then you will be registered on this website. You will be registered, your profile will be updated. You will see here that profile is updated successfully. Dear friends, if you have any question about the profile updation, then let me know, and don't forget to mention in the comment box so that I can guide you. Dear friends, please share this video among your friends and other exporters so that they may be updated about the new DNK portal. Friends, as you know that this new DNK portal have many new features. I will detail all the features one by one in my next video. Keep watching. Thank you.